This is the panel saw, the dim saw. We're going to change the blade, and this is the equipment you need. So we need a piece of wood for the bed, we need the replacement blade, a cloth, we need the tools that come with the machine, 2 spanners and a stock for the circular saw. We need some resin cleaner, some gloves and a sign telling somebody not to use the machine. We also need a padlock to lock the machine off, which is at the back over there. So the first thing Leon's going to do is isolate the machine by putting the padlock on and locking it off. Okay. Yeah. Lift the clip on the right hand side, remove the guard, get the smaller of the 2 spanners, shaft for this saw. If you drop that in, that shouldn't move. We'll turn it to the right. That's it. That's the one. You don't drop it. Place the nut. Now waggle the blade to get the washer off if you need to. Carefully take the blade away without touching the teeth into the machine body. Nicely done. Sit the blade back down on a piece of timber. So maximum 8mm between the teeth and the riving knife. Beautiful. Yeah. Sounds great.